Hi everyone! Today we're doing a full body recharge. Every move is a secret exercise to help us stay healthy and happy. We're going to wake up every cell in our bodies so we have enough energy for the whole day. Let's go! Imagine your feet are strong roots growing deep into the ground. Reach for the sun like a tall, straight tree. Even a little wind can't knock us over. Well done! Sit down on your invisible throne. Keep your back straight and your arms strong. You are the kings and queens of your own power. Breathe deep and feel strong. Good job! Step forward and drop one knee like a brave knight. Keep your back straight and look ahead. We are ready for big adventures. Awesome! Be strong, tigers. Stretch your leg back straight and steady. This pose makes your legs strong and your tummy tough. Freeze and don't wobble. Reach your arm high like a rainbow and breathe deep. This pose opens up your lungs to fill you with strength and health. Switch sides. Keep it up. Lie on your back and lift your leg high like a mighty crane. This makes your legs strong and fast so you can run like the wind. Switch sides. Hug your knees. Stay still and breathe. This pose is a treat for your back and a gift for your tummy. Feel your whole body relax. That's right. Hide like a sleeping hedgehog in its burrow. Reach for your toes. This exercise helps you grow faster and sleep better. Stay there. Bring your feet together and flap your knees like wings. You are the brightest butterflies in the meadow. This makes your legs flexible. Hide in your cozy shell like a snail. Breathe nice and slow. This pose calms your heart and helps you become very mindful and wise. Lie on your tummy and slowly lift your chest like a wise cobra. This pose makes your back strong and your posture perfect like a prince or princess. Good job! Kneel up and reach your chest to the sun. This pose makes your back flexible and your spirit strong. Breathe deep and smile at the sky. Take a super step. Stretch your legs out wide and straight. This pose gives you champion strength and helps you grow tall. Awesome! Fold your legs like lotus petals. Back straight, reaching for the sun. This pose brings calm and helps you focus.